This is the KLIM Nac Pak, and it has sat collecting dust in my workshop for months. It was very kindly bought as a gift for me, but as I already have an 8-year-old bulletproof and dirt-worthy hydration High Sierra camel pack, I thought I'd continue to use that until it gave up the ghost. That's just me. Once I'm familiar and attached to something, it stays in active use until it decomposes or shreds. And I already have a new street bike backpack, review to come at a later date. So the KLIM Nac Pak just sat and sat and sat, waiting for my High Sierra camel pack to fail. And good luck with that. Camel packs are awesome backpacks. I've abused mine, modified it with holes for camera mounts, and have always overloaded it to bursting as a matter of course. And it continues to be a comfortable, super functional and robust backpack, immune to abuse, dirt, and heavy loads. But with a bike test and motorcycle tour of the States coming up this month, I started to look around for appropriate luggage to haul my extensive vlogging paraphernalia around. I know, horrific, eh? And that's when I remembered the dusty Nac Pak hanging in my workshop. And blow me down. I was blown away. Haven't backpacks come a long way in 8 years? I had completely missed the versatility and utility of this pack. Not that it was absolutely my fault. The Nac Pak hides its arsenal of pockets, straps, compartments, and adjustments well, especially in this black-colored choice, which is aptly named concealment. Little did I know that the pack was hiding a vast array of nifty storage solutions that will work out very well for me on this trip and, in fact, while being an awesome backpack for off-road, may, in fact, be a better one than my current road pack for general use as well. The Nac Pak was originally designed for snowmobilers, and this is partially what makes it so suitable for us as riders. It has well-engineered vertical pockets on either side of the pack for a shovel and snow depth probe or other items that won't fit inside the pack. But even my turgid old brain figured out that these would work well for a fishing rod, a tree saw, a tripod, or even a selfie stick. Then these waterproof pockets at the front of the adjustable, padded, and meshed shoulder straps are perfect for a wallet, a phone, or better still, extra camera batteries, USB chargers, GoPro attachment mounts, and memory cards. And I still haven't mentioned the hard, plastic, molded, fleecy-lined goggle pouch here, which can be used for glasses, sunglasses, and cameras. Look, there's even a super soft lens cloth attached to its own pocket, where you can also store some lens cleaner. But wait, there's more. I know, hard to believe, right? There's even a removable pouch in the middle layer of the Nac Pak that sits in an expandable and adjustable clip-reinforced pocket. This allows you to drop in some gloves next to the pouch. Nice touch. The waterproof pouch is ostensibly for a toolkit, but there's nothing stopping you put in a first aid kit, pens, more camera paraphernalia, tire repair kits, fishing lures, knives, or anything you want to organize for quick retrieval. And this will keep all those sharp and pointy accessories away from the more tender items in the pack that you might want to carry. With all this, what's left, I hear you cry? Well, plenty. The Concealment Nac Pak also comes hydration pack ready, as you can either purchase it with KLIM's expensive 3-liter hydration pack, or buy a cheaper, smaller 2-liter hydration pack like I have, which clips in here in its own internal waterproof pocket and allows you to thread the hydration tube either to the right harness or the left side. This waterproof pouch pocket contains another internal pocket and organizer for whatever tire pressure gauge, slime, an electric tire inflator, and even has a key fob clip to secure any keys you don't want to lose in their own meshed pocket. I still haven't mentioned the emergency distress whistle incorporated neatly into the huge and glove-friendly heavy-duty YKK zipper lanyard grabs. Again, there's a glove-friendly chest harness circular clip buckle system which snaps together easily and releases with a one-gloved finger push on the circular catch. I find the Nac Pak comfortable and easily adjustable so that you can adjust the buckle and padded straps right where you want them by adjusting the top of the strap or the bottom of the strap on each shoulder. Finally, I know, right, this went on much longer than you and I thought it would. There's a 3M Scotch-like reflective material on the back. Wow, I can hardly believe how well engineered this pack is and feel remiss for letting it sit on my workshop for months. So thanks, Hannah and James. I appreciate this more than ever now. I hope you like my review of the KLIM Nac Pak. They're a deal at 129 Canadian without the hydration pack, but questionable at 179 Canadian with the KLIM 3-litre hydration pack included. Save yourself some dough, weight and space and get a 2-litre hydration pack from Amazon for about $15, like this one. Link below.
Once again, thanks for watching everyone. If this is the first time you've watched, please consider subscribing. I do product reviews, motorcycle reviews, off-road and on-road vlogs, as well as tours. Don't forget to follow me on social media, that's Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and to like, and especially, I'm begging you here folks, subscribe. This is the BlueMarbleRider, out.